In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to write an email campaign for your potential customers. Okay, so remember that for you to work with ChatGPT and other related AI tools, you need to give it the right prompt, the right command. Okay, so for the benefit of those that don't have a computer or a laptop, I'll be using my phone to do this. And for those that have a computer, it's still the same process, just the difference is the screen size. Okay, so this is my ChatGPT. I just opened it. Then here I have my notepad opened with me because this is where I'm going to paste the result that will be given to me. Now this is my command, this is my prompt. Okay, I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I am targeting small businesses in Nigeria for my email campaign, and I want it to give me a subject line, okay, that will be personalized and data driven. Okay, I want it to help me write a subject line, okay, that will include how to use Facebook ad to attract new customers and their names to grab my audience attention and motivate them to engage with the email content. Now, this is not the email content. This is just the email title. Before somebody opens your email, the person reads the title. So I want ChatGPT to help me craft email titles I can use. Okay, so I'm going to copy this my prompt. All right, I will copy it and I will paste. Now you may be asking, how did I get the prompt? Before I go to ChatGPT, I have already known what I want. I had already thought in my mind, okay, what do I want ChatGPT to do for me? And I try to type it. Okay, I try to type what I want it to do, describe it as much as I can. Okay, so I described it here with my notepad. Okay, just like I showed you in the other video how to get the best results out of ChatGPT. I explained how you can generate better prompts. Okay, so if you have not watched that video, do well to watch that video. The same steps and processes I explained in that video is what I used to generate this prompt. I typed it before going to ChatGPT. Okay, so I have copied my prompt and I will head over to ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm going to say I'm going to paste my prompt here. Okay, and I'll enter. All right, okay, it's coming up. All right, so here is the suggestion. It says recipient name: harness the power of Facebook ads to attract new customers. Okay, all right, so it just gave me one suggestion because I asked for one. Okay, so I'm going to ask it to give 5 best subject line. I can use. Okay, all right, so instead of one, that's giving me 5 subject lines. Okay, can you see? So previously it gave me just one, and here I asked for 5 so that I can choose from the list. All right, so what I will do now is that I'm going to copy this. You copy and you paste on your notepad. Okay, if you're using a computer, you open your notepad and you paste. Okay, all right, so this is how to use ChatGPT to get your subject email for your email campaign. So let's try the same thing with Google Bard. Okay, so here I am on Google Bard. I will paste the same prompt. Okay, so I've pasted the prompt and I will wait for the results. Okay, so this is what Google gave me. Okay, Google gave me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, So I can as well copy this and paste in my notepad. Okay, this is from ChatGPT. Okay, this is from Google. Okay, all right. So what I will do now is I will go through these prompts. So what I will do now is that I will go through these subject lines and choose the one I want and make use of it. Now, for those of you that are into email marketing, you can even use more than two. Okay, you split test the subject line, because the first step to somebody opening your email is the subject line. So if you find more than one subject line attractive or cool with you, you can split test with more than one subject line. Many of these email marketing tools or autoresponders have split testing function that you can split test and test more than one subject line. Okay, so I've copied one of these subject lines and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a complete email content. Okay, so I'm going to say, write me, I'm going to say, as an email marketing expert, write an educative and write an educative email content for this subject line. That will make the reader take action to buy my Facebook ad course. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Now you can see that I just typed this prompt. Now I'm able to do this because I have idea on how to structure my prompt and get a desired result from ChatGPT. So, and that is why you are watching this video now. By the time you keep working and playing around with ChatGPT, you are going to understand it better. And don't forget to watch the course, and don't forget to watch the video on how I explained how you can generate better prompts and get better results with ChatGPT. So you click enter. Okay, okay, can you see? Beautiful. So ChatGPT has written an email content for us. It says, hello recipient. Okay, here's the, it says, hello recipient name. You add the recipient name. Are you struggling to attract customers? Can you see? So it has written an email copy for us. It has given us a place to add our link to our course. Okay, and the closure, how to close your email. Can you see? This is beautiful. So you can copy this, okay, and you paste it on your notepad. So, but let's go to Google Bard and see what it gives us. Let's copy this other one. This is the main prompt. Okay, copy. Let's check Google Bard. Okay, let's enter. Can you see? Can you see? Google Bard has given us its own result. So all you need to do is to copy the two of them, paste it on your notepad, read through, make your editings, okay? Make your corrections and send it to your email list. All right. So this is how you can use ChatGPT, Google Bard, to write an email content and also generate an email subject line that will make your subscribers or your email list open your email. Okay. The advantage of this is that your work is half done, if not completely done. Okay. For an expert, your work is half done. All you need to do is to read through and make your editings. Okay, edit, remove some lines that you don't want and you add the ones you want, and there you go. So for experts, your work is half done, and for beginners, your work is done. All you need to do is edit and place your link and your name where necessary. So this is how you can use ChatGPT and Google Bard for email campaigns, your email content and your subject line. Lest I forget, it is important for you to understand that while typing your prompt, you can give a specific number of words that you want this email copy to have. Okay, if it is too short, like this one here, if it is too short, you can add a phrase that indicates that it should write a 1000 word email copy. Okay, let the email content be 1000 words. Okay, so it's necessary to understand that you can add the number of words that you want the copy or the content to have, so that it can either be long or short depending on how you want it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel and give us a comment if you learned something from this video.